Today, more than at any other time in our history, man's existence on planet Earth has never been more at risk. Hi, my name's Charles Alder and I'm co-founder of the EcoForce business. Since 2013, my wife Tracy and I have seen firsthand the destruction caused by the climate on the land through droughts, floods and fires across Australia. We've helped raise over 100 million for the charity we founded, Rural Aid, to support these farmers and their rural communities. And it was during this time that we recognised the opportunity our farmers had to help repair our planet's climate issues, and especially in the area of capturing carbon. I'm sure you've heard of Sir David Attenborough. Well, each year, according to David, we tear down 3 billion trees a year. It therefore stands to reason we need to plant just as many to hold our climate where it is. We need to plant more trees if we want to reverse the effects of a changing climate that we're all experiencing. Trees are an amazing carbon capturing plant. But at EcoForce, we believe in solving issues and not just putting a band-aid on the problem. We believe that with your help, we can plant enough trees to cover this 3 billion target. But we can do it with farmers and landholders around the world to create a multiplied outcome. You see, it's not just about a tree. It's about the land, it's about the oceans, it's about the food we eat, the clothes we wear, and the land on which we all live. All across the world, there are signs our Earth's fragile balance is being shattered. Ice shelves are melting at rates unseen, hurricanes and cyclones reaching winds of 300 kilometres an hour, droughts are longer and more harsh, and fires that consume massive tracts of land, creating mass destruction of the environment, habitat, wildlife, and even human habitation. We've reached a point, no matter who you are, you've been witness to some of these changes. I recently watched a documentary on the Russian reactor accident Chernobyl and saw how the environment had grown over the town and many of the buildings and the infrastructure. Our planet has a way of rejuvenating itself, with or without us. And if we continue to mistreat it, we might be just like the thousands of other species who've died in the last 30 years and find ourselves extinct. Right now, we have a choice. I've seen the benefits of planting trees, and I've seen the benefits of working with farmers to capture carbon and reduce the world's CO2 levels. We can halt and even reverse the effects of climate change by capturing carbon. Today, as you listen, you're probably saying to yourself, what can I do that'll make a difference? Well, the solution is really simple. Plant a tree. Plant 1, plant 10, plant 17. Today you've been presented with an opportunity to help plant these billions of trees. You could become a customer of the EcoForce business and buy a tree. Or you could work with us and build a business to supply the billions of trees we need. 3 billion trees this year, another 3 billion next year, every year 3 billion trees. That's the size of the market the EcoForce business is. And a tree is a tree, so it's not too hard to describe your product line to anyone. If you're like me and you want your years on this planet to mean something to yourself, your family and the generations to come, this opportunity is truly a once in a lifetime. There can be no greater gift than the gift of life to the future generations of our planet. Come and join us today. Contact the person who shared this with you and see how we're changing lives and the planet one tree at a time.